I'd like to welcome you to Lesedi. This is it really is a momentous occasion celebrating this milestone, safety milestone. We're passionate. We're passionate about doing work right, first time, right on time, and within budget. I think the other thing is action. We don't leave what we can do today until tomorrow. Well, it's a huge milestone in our long career, I suppose, as in the industry, and it's to celebrate 3 million man-hours of accident-free, where we haven't had a lost time injury since 2008, and we feel that the whole company is being part of that achievement. And I think it's very important event for us.
Thank you to be here today. As however, we are very proud to have a subsidiary like Lesedi, because I think it's very nice to see that you reach the 3 million hours. I remember when we discussed the 2.4, and we say we have to go to 3, and now the challenge is there. We have to go to 4.
Okay, Lesedi's been in existence for the last 12 years, and we've been servicing mainly Koeberg Nuclear Power Station from a maintenance point of view and also from a project point of view. Maintenance side, we support the outages, and with Arriva, our principal shareholder, we provide all the maintenance during refueling outages.
Formal relationship was established with Arriva, where there was a local shareholding and there was a Arriva shareholding of 45%. And we were doing work at Koeberg Nuclear Power Station, various modifications, upgrades, maintenance during outages. In 2006, we anticipated a nuclear build program, and Arriva increased their shareholding at Lesedi to a majority shareholding of 51%. And so since 2006, with Arriva having a majority, it enabled us as a local entity to take on bigger projects outside of the nuclear arena. So from 2006 to where we are today, we built the open cycle gas turbines for Eskom in Mossel Bay and in Atlantis, which was very successful projects for us in a very short space of time. We then subsequently awarded the contract for Medupi on the balance of plant, which is still ongoing today, which has been very successful for us as a company, although there are some challenges on the project, but very successful for us. Where we're going to in the future, we're diversifying into waste to energy projects, into biomass projects, hopefully in construction very soon in KZN, and then for other projects in Africa. But without the relationship with Arriva, we wouldn't have grown as a company. So when we look back at ourselves as where we were in 2006, doing about 50 million rand turnover, today we're doing in excess of 400 million rand turnover. We grew from an amount of people of about 50 permanent people to where we are today of about 200 to 250 permanent people. And obviously, depending on the projects and the life cycle, we bring on additional people for those projects. So we've grown quite astronomically over the last 6 years, which we're very proud of.
Since 2008, when Arriva took a majority shareholding in Lesedi, that platform has allowed us to work internationally. So I've got a team in my department of about 25 technicians that have worked worldwide. We've supported 5 countries internationally in doing planned outages and unplanned outages. The same work we do at Koeberg. So continuous improvement, quality and safety is key to our organization, and also that we learn to upskill more. We've got a great shortage of nuclear skills in South Africa, and that is one of the areas that's my key focus. I'm very passionate about skills development, and also with Francis Carruthers and with Arriva and our other shareholders, we've managed to be able to grow that base over the past 5 years.
Very importantly to Lesedi, we are passionate about localization, and we're passionate about localization in terms of know-how. So not the simple on the ground work, but also the engineering, the procurement of main items, the real know-how in executing projects. We're passionate about that. More importantly, we're also passionate about the places in which we work. Our corporate social investment policy specifically directs us to engaging in communities in which we operate. We've got a really successful corporate social responsibility program in Atlantis, where we can say we've proudly supported the Orion organization for over 8 or 9 years, and that's been a very successful relationship, and we'll continue to do so. Sustainability is always the question, and so if you look at the major project we're busy with in Medupi, we can proudly say that we're part of the Medupi Leadership Initiative, which has got to do with what happens to the workforce post-project, so the demobilization, ensuring that they've got the correct skills, ensuring that they've, financial literacy is imperative, ensuring that there's a continued sustainability of the work that's created for employees that we bring on these big projects. So not only are we passionate about localization in terms of engineering know-how, but we're passionate about the communities in which we operate and really localizing as much as possible in a sustainable way.